Trying to change your country on Roblox, but the option is completely missing? You are not alone. Here is the real fix. First, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Choose Help and Safety from the menu. Then click on Help Center. Now that you are in the Help Center, select Roblox account. Use the search bar and type in location. Click on account location when it appears. You will see some information there, but here is the important part. There is no setting that lets you change your country directly. To update it, you need to contact Roblox support. Here is what to do next. Scroll down and click on Need More Help, Contact Support here. Fill in your account details such as username, email address, etc. Choose the device you are using, Windows or phone. Under type of help category, select How To. In the subcategory, choose Change My Location. And in the message box, write something like this. And that's it. Roblox support team will reply within a few days and update your account location for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech guides.